That's a phone right there.
That ain't nothing.
They just gotta let him come down, I guess. Who car is that? That was his car? They just drove off in the dude's car? Oh, goddamn. They don't want the niggas from out here?
I ain't see who just got in it, but I see that bitch drove
That
off.
bitch gone. Oh, goddamn. Well, he ain't got no car now. They just stole his car.
They just stole his car.
Man, these boys gotta stay off them drugs, man.
Bro, that man done fell hard than a bitch by 10 times.
He's stuck right now.
She just hit his face on that motherfucker.
Man, they look like an older guy, too. That nigga swimming.
Oh!
Man, they said they stole the dude's car.
Yeah. That's what it was right there. Somebody
God damn, boy. It's real out here. He picked the wrong night to do this shit. Nigga better get off them drugs.
Yeah, you gotta stay off them drugs. God.
He gonna need a car when he come down off that high.
Man, he gonna wonder where that car.
Old Lincoln left. They didn't even speed away in this shit. They drove away regular.
Yeah.
They didn't even give him the respect of smashing off in that bitch.
No, you just saw his tail like. I told me they stole his car.
God damn.
Damn, he back up.
Boy.
Oh, shit.
Old boy in bad shape, boy.
Yeah,
He fall every time he get up.
yeah.
Man, is it all worth it, man?
No, it ain't worth it, man. It ain't worth it.
Paramedics, they not fucking with it.
No, they not. They waiting till the police come.
Because, I mean, they don't know what he owns.
No. Damn.
Them laws gonna come with that taser.
Oh, god damn.
Man, that boy gonna be broke up when he come off that high.
He already got something on his wrist.
Hey, don't run over the man.
They said the people in their malls, I think they hit it.
Oh, so bad.
Them laws ain't really trying to respond to
No,
this.
not to this.
This ain't really lucrative.
No.
They get him when they get here.
Yeah.
He be sober when they get him.
This man been in the street.
Don't take your ass out there and don't talk to them people like that. They have a job that they have to do. They can't fuck with that man. Like you go off on one limb, they have to wait on the police. That's okay. Oh my God.
I'll be damned.
Yeah.
This shit is real.
All this motherfucking time. Yeah, here they come.
From them laws,
Everybody want to see the laws.
they gonna put the electricity in his life.
Ooh, he gonna get up there running.
Hit him with them jumper cables. Yeah, they gonna hit him with that taser or something. He gonna have to wake up when they gonna probably light him up.
They need to come home.
If he jump up doing what he been
They
doing,
need to get home.
he finna get slammed.
Mama, back up.
Cause they don't know what he owns. So pretty much he's a threat when they get here.
I hope he stay out.
They do right by him though when
Well,
they come.
we
I already
get it.
told him I think he has a mental disability or he's on some.
No, he on drugs.
Or he on drugs.
No, he's stuck. He's stuck
Long as
right
they
now.
treat him right. And I
Yeah, he
told
on
him
that
what
way.
car he was in.
He on there. They stole his car.
Call up.
No, his car right there.
Where they car at?
That's his white car right there.
Oh, the Lexus one he
What
got better.
happened is somebody hit him and kept going.
Oh.
That's what made him jump out and start acting a fucking fool.
We was behind.